Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a returning little yarn gremlin, welcome back. Excuse me, sorry. I hope you guys are having a great morning, noon, night, whatever time of day or night it is when this video reaches you. Okay, so it is the official release of November's Full Spectrum and Birthstone collection subscription boxes. I talk with my hands a lot. Okay, usually it's down here and you don't see it. Alright, so there are a few changes for starting this month. So if you are not new to ordering, I still need you to listen to all the information. If for no other reason, then your girl is struggling to get her voice out there, and I'm working really hard, so watch and support. Speaking of support, subscribe, thummy, and comment, even if it's just an emoji. I'm trying to reach 10K. Okay, so I'm going to really quick go through all of the info, and then I'm going to show the yarn. I will tell you when I'm showing the yarn if you want to look away. But I am going to verbally describe it for my visually impaired folk. Okay. So, ordering is still the 1st through the 8th. Still ships by the 20th. You can still order any previous month of the Birthstone collection in any weight or quantity from January to November. PayPal, Cashapp, Zelle, and in all of them there is a space to leave information, and I need your name, your address, which boxes you want, and what weight you want. So if you're ordering, like I have one gal that orders a fingering, DK, and worsted of Birthstone, and then, I don't know, I think a DK of the regular full spectrum. So most people will write FS for full spectrum and BS for Birthstone. So she'll write like FS 2DK and BS 1 fingering or F 1 DK 1 W or worsted. Just do the best you can. That way there's no delays in me getting your order started. If for whatever reason you can't figure out how to write, because I know sometimes this stuff can be complicated, especially if you're new to it, go ahead and email me. My email will be in the description box below, and it's the fullspectrumcrafts@gmail.com. Please do not email the Thryss314 for order information. I won't see it in time, if at all. Okay. First, I want to thank everybody in months past who has given extra to go towards shipping, because you have been my savings grace. Shipping just keeps going up. It keeps going and it keeps going. Yet it gets more unreliable. Go figure. But I do have to raise just my shipping prices a little tiny bit, because right now it's $5 per order. It doesn't matter if you have 1 hank or 15. $5 doesn't even cover 1 hank, no matter where I'm shipping to anymore. So I'm not raising it very much. It's just it's $7 instead of $5. So here's how we're doing it. Normally I tell you it's $25 for the first hank and $20 for every hank afterward. That's because that $5 was your shipping. So it's just $20 per hank plus $7 for shipping. Or you can look at it as $27 for the first hank and $20 for each hank afterward. However it helps you in your mind to say it. That by no means covers most people's shipping, but it helps me out a little bit. And of course, if you want to throw extra towards shipping, that would be an amazing blessing, and you have my debt of gratitude. But you do not have to, of course, if you just cover your $7, you know. So payments due between the 1st and the 8th, unless you have spoken to me otherwise. Ships by the 20th. I think that's all. So, the full spectrum box, you get a handmade stitch marker from Dee over Dee's Creative Hands. They're lovely stitch markers. And then the birthstone, you do not get anything with that. It's just the birthstone. I think that's everything. I always think it's everything, and then editing, I realize, oh my gosh, I forgot something. If you have an apartment number, please make sure you put that apartment number, because no apartment complex offices accept boxes, and they get sent back, then I have to pay to ship them again. So just please make sure your address and the box you want and the weight you want. Otherwise, I have to seek you out and contact you and everything like that. Okay. So, I'm going to show you now the full spectrum. We have a different base this month. It's a little extra special, and I'm hoping you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. So this is a gold sparkle, and it is called Cornucopia. Some people pronounce it differently. That's how I pronounce it. So it goes from a special blend that I created of different colors that makes kind of a navyish, purplish sort of color. It's really pretty. And then goes into, well, actually here. Then it goes into brown, red, a little bit of orange, yellow, green. Oh, wait, this is, okay, here's the bluish, purplish color. Brown, green, different tones of yellow, orange, red, and then it goes back into that bluish purple color. So, Cornucopia. And this is it, again, this is it hanged up, and it's on a sparkle base. So, I don't do these bases that often because they are a lot more expensive than just my regular base, but I wanted to do something special for the holiday seasons. So, there's that. And then for November's birthstone, it is citrine, so a like yellow color. So this is the citrine. It's yellow with yellowy sort of orangey tonal shifts. And let me show you what it looks like hanged up. I should have had this done before. Okay. So this is what it looks like hanged up. It's really pretty. It's darker in real life than what it's showing. The camera's kind of well, my camera is really good and it does kind of blow color out, but my ring light is blowing it out a little bit. So, okay, you can look. Now, there will also be a special release coming up soon. I don't have it to show you because it's the base was out of stock, but I do have it in now. And, well, I do have it ordered. Oh, actually, hold on. For the full spectrum, you can only order it in fingering or DK. There's no worsted in the gold sparkle, so it's just fingering or DK. But in the birthstone, you can order fingering, DK, or worsted. That is important information. So, Sparkletown Cornucopia is fingering or DK, and Citrine Birthstone Collection is fingering, DK, or worsted. There's 437 yards in fingering, 231 yards in DK, and 187 yards in the worsted. And the yardage for the DK and the fingering weight is the same for the sparkly cornucopia. Okay, so I'm going to have a special October opal release. There was a lot of very disappointed people, and I understand, and I knew that was going to be the case. October's birthstone, there was a lot of disappointment in what I released for it, but I did what I had to do for the make-along for the whole year. But as a little separate, more rainbowy, opally accurate colorway, there is going to be one releasing this month. I'm just waiting for the yarn to come in. That will be a separate video, but it is a base with neon neps, so they're little neon pieces in there that don't take the dye, and I'm going to dye the yarn a color that is, you know, representative of October's opal. And then those they're neon, but they're kind of light color neon, are going to pop through, and it's literally going to look like an opal ring, like the stone. That will be in fingering and DK also. So that's going to be something coming up to look forward to. I'm so excited about it. That I was going to try to do that in October, but they keep being out of stock. So anyway, okay, so that is that. If you have questions, you can email me, or you can leave them in the comment section below. I think I covered everything. I am very sorry to have to raise the shipping price a little bit, but I'm trying to keep my prices low, and because I know times are really hard, and I know people are on, you know, fixed incomes and stuff like that, and so I really try to keep my prices low and not, yeah, so, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a good one, and, yeah, stay safe and stay weird, and, remember your own self-worth, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.